This is a 2009 Honda Odyssey EX-L, 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. The CARFAX report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the CARFAX report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. The back, nice deep compartment for your packages or luggage. Also, these seats fold down into it and make this whole back area nice and flat. And then you have the power lift gate. I'll zoom in so you can see the tread and the rims a little better. The interior is a gray leather in pretty good shape. There's a little tear there. Overall though, it's pretty nice. There is rubber floor mats, which makes it cleaning up nice and easy. Entertain your rear passengers with a working DVD player. You also have rear air control for them. There are no warning lights on. We will get that TPMS sensor fixed. There's your steering wheel controls. You can pair your phone. Keep your hands nice and free to stay safe while driving. There are your power doors for the front, power locks and power windows. The navigation screen is also where your backup camera is. You have dual climate control. There's your DVD player controls. You have heated seats to stay nice and warm in the wintertime, as well as a sunroof. If you are searching for a van, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We are located in Logan at 95 West, 400 North. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!